Hi everyone. It's Tereese. Long time no see. It's been like I don't know 2-3 weeks now. Wanted to come on real quick and share a little haul and maybe my Mother's Day cards with you all. So today we dropped off my son at work, and my husband and I went to Home Depot, and I found a few things. I finally bought a roll of this duct tape, or not duct tape, the drywall tape, and it looks like mesh, and it's self-adhesive mesh, and I've been wanting to get this, and I couldn't find it. I don't go to um, Home Depot a lot, but I had to ask somebody where this was, and of course, it was in the area where it should be. I was looking in a completely different area. Um, but that's okay. I found it. So I got a roll of that. And then whenever I go in there with my husband, I always pick up a pack of these. And before they were like 10 something, 12 something. I stopped buying them. And then I'm like, okay, I'm just going to go and look and see, because my husband was looking for something, and I always go off and do my own thing. And so I found it, and it was only 8 something. So I was like happy about that. Um, then I went into this paint section, and I found some paint swatches. I've been meaning to pick up some. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Um, I don't know if I'm going to cut them in strips or use them individually. I don't know. I just love the colors. I only picked out a few. I got some grays um, in warm and cool tones. And then I got some pinks. This is like almost like a maroon and light pink. So it's really pretty. So that was free. I didn't have to pay for those. Then I went to Hobby Lobby, and I don't know who I was watching, but they shared um, these ephemera packs for $2.99, and I was floored. I was like, normally they're like 5 something a pack, and so it has all different, and they look vintage to me. Yeah, they do. All of them. The vintage Valentine. Are these stickers or they're just ephemera? Uh, yeah, I think they're just ephemera. I don't think it says stickers. Yeah, it just says die cuts. So there's Valentine's, there's Christmas, there's 4th of July, there's Thanksgiving, there's a little bit of St. Patrick's Day. Um, yeah, I think Thanksgiving or Halloween. No, there's no Halloween. Yay! I don't do Halloween anymore. And then there's Easter and flowers. So, I mean, I love everything in this pack. And because of the price, and it was 40% off, I got two. I just had to. I just had to get two of them. Um, and I was talking to a fellow crafter at Hobby Lobby, which I hardly ever do, and she was so sweet. And she goes, "That paper, I'm going to show you the paper in a few minutes. This sticker set would go perfectly with it." And when I saw it, I'm like, yes, it does. And I picked up two because Paper Studio was 50%, or is, well, was, it will be, or is, it is 40% off. I don't think it will probably not be 40% off next week, but I got this paper. Oh my God, I just love it. Mm. Oh, it is so cool. There was other patriotic papers. There was like red, white, and blue, distress wood. There was like a flag and bows. That was, not my style. But this was just in in my realm. I just love it, all of it. I got 8 sheets of that. Then I went over to where did I go? To the jewelry section. And I think Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations shared this. And I think she bought some too. And when I was in there, I'm like, oh, I'm going to go and check it out. And these were on sale for 40% off. $2.99, 40% off. I got 2 of each, one in gold and one in silver, or 2 in gold and 2 in silver. And then I think I saw somebody else haul these bows, and I just thought these were adorable. They're 3 sizes. There's teeny, teeny, tiny bows. You just never know when you're going to need a little bow. And I thought that was perfect. And then I think that was it at Hobby Lobby. Nope. I lied. And then I bought this ribbon. It's like cream grosgrain ribbon that says United We Stand. It'll go well with this paper. I got 2 of them. These were also 40% off this week for us. I think that was it for Hobby Lobby. And then I went into Dollar Tree, and they don't have a lot of crafty season, like for 4th of July. Not very much. I was kind of disappointed. But I found these cards. And wouldn't this really go if I was making a journal? Oh my gosh. I just love it with the ribbon and the cards. These are just blank cards. And you only get 4 for $1.25, which I think is horrible, but what are you going to do, right? It is what it is. And then lastly, I've been seeing this woman online, and I don't know about you guys, but I finally broke down and bought these dies. There's another set that I want. It's $24.99. I may get it later. Hopefully she'll still have them. But it says Emily, what is her name? Emily Moore Designs. And I just love how it says happy birthday. It'll be perfect on a card. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. And then this one is a Merry Christmas one. This one is not layered, which I did not realize. I think this one is the short and sweet, and so is this one. But that's okay. That's okay. I think I'll make do. I think these will be great on, like how she has it here on a circle that looks like an ornament. I think that would be really pretty. Um, and then I've got the charms, the Christmas charms, ornament charms, and I think these would be really cute to put on tags for the for the Christmas season. Just love it. She also gave me a coupon code. Um, Thank you 15 for 15% off. I might go back and check out that other die that I wanted. So that concludes my little haul. I want to thank everybody for, oh, no. Hold on. I'm going to show you my Mother's Day cards that I made. So this is my Mother's Day cards that I use the My Creative Time. What is it called? Flower Petals die plate. So it comes like this. It's a one sheet of metal, But I love how each flower has those stitching. I think we all love things with stitches on it, right? Um, and then I added some pink cotton candy stickles that I had in my stash forever. I was going to use the pops of color, but I think that just added a little something. I didn't want to add too much dimension um, to this card, but that is it. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.